Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Widgetable app for beginners. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the Widgetable app is an app on the App Store which offers some of the best lock screen widgets for your iPhone. However, Widgetable stands out by allowing you to share your widgets and match them with your friends and family. So consider it as a social platform to use shared lock screen widgets. So for example, the app features widgets can show the distance between you and the other person at any time or include other person's chosen status. So the first section of this video is you need to download the Widgetable app from the App Store. So like any other third-party app, you'll need to download the Widgetable app from the App Store to access these fun widgets and more. Anyone with whom you plan to share a widget will also need to download the app on their iPhone, and then after downloading it, so you can connect with your friends to share your lock screen widget. So once installed, open the Widgetable app and tap onto the more right here located in the bottom menu, and then tap onto the profile and friends from the menu, and then after that just tap onto the add a new friend at the bottom of the screen and input their code, and you will also see your code on the screen. So ask your friend to follow the same instructions to get to this menu, and please remember that both of you need to input each other's code in order to connect within the app. And the next part is how to set up a shared Widgetable app or widget. So once you're both onto the Widgetable, you will need to pick out your widget and then you can set it up. So in the app, just tap the Explorer at the bottom of the screen and pick out a widget like a rectangular distance one, for example. So select the friend you want to use with, and then just tap onto the save, and you can see your saved widgets by tapping into the mine button on the right side of the app. So as a reminder, your friend must complete the same process if they also want the widget on their iPhone. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.